And he put his phone here and totally forgot it. He's so lucky, that one. Happy birthday!
Don't you see the silver line? Fire, fire, give me just some. Don't you see this fire, fire?
Yalla, Have, börja. Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Welcome back to my channel. I'm with the girls, just hanging out in the living room. We have nothing planned today. I just wanted to bring up the camera and start vlogging. And so yeah, here we are in our PJs, just chilling, right mama? So this week we have a lot. Today is a Tuesday and tomorrow is my best friend's birthday. So we're going to her place to surprise her. So she will be at work and her sister, she has the keys to her apartment. Mama, give her No, nobody is playing with the remote control, okay? So anyways, her sister has the keys to her apartment. So what we're gonna do is that, what, mama? What was I saying? So yeah, her sister got the keys to her apartment. So we are going to go there. She's gonna open the apartment to us, and we will like decorate the place, or fill it with balloons and so on. And so then when my best friend comes home, she will get surprised. So that's one surprise on her actual birthday. And we're gonna have cake and bring food. And then on Friday, we will go out for a birthday dinner at a restaurant in the city with all her girlfriends. I think I've managed to, invite all of them that I know, and I got a lot of help from her sister as well. So that will be a surprise as well. So she thinks that only her and I are going out for a dinner, that I'm only inviting her out because, it was her birthday and so on. But little does she know, when we get to the restaurant, all her other girlfriends will be there. And yeah, celebrate her day. So I'm looking forward for that, just to get myself ready, putting on nice clothes, putting on some makeup. I feel like I haven't put on makeup. Okay. They like to sing like that. So, can I just talk for 1 minute? One more minute. Anyway, so I'm looking just forward to fix myself and get out and chat with adult people, basically. Because I'm with these two girls 24/7. And I mean, I wouldn't trade it for the world. I love these two. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with me for all the festivities, of course. And yeah. Look at, she's doing like balloons with her saliva. No, that's a lot of saliva, mama. Oh, I don't know if this is gross. It's gross. Stop it, mama. Guys, the funniest thing just happened. So my husband helped me to put the kids in the car, and he put his phone here and totally forgot it, and I drove away. So I drove like 2-3 minutes. Thank God it didn't fall away. To go back and get it for him. So I'm headed back home now to give my husband back his phone. He's so lucky, that one, because it could have easily just fallen away and like crashed on the ground. Lucky Sebastian. But anyways, I'm headed to the birthday surprise for my friend that I told you guys about yesterday. So I have the twins with me, and we're going a bit early, just to prepare, put the balloons up and everything. Let's see if he comes out. Det hade du väldigt tur.
Jag kom på det.
Ja, det var bra att du gjorde det. Det var tur att jag kollade på min mobil. Men vet du vad det var? Nej. Mina inställningar kom inte, så det var dina inställningar hela tiden på bilen. Jag bara, så jag tog upp min mobil för att ringa dig. Vad fan, hur ska jag göra?
Hörde du inte precis vid taket då?
Nej, jag hörde ingenting. Så då såg jag att du bara Patte! På, ja. Bye bye, lucky boy. It was so crazy because, I couldn't get my phone to like connect to the car. So to the CarPlay to put, my own music and everything. And I saw that it was Sebastian's phone that was connected. So I was like, why isn't my phone connecting? So I took up my phone quickly just to like call him from my phone, and like, how could I connect my own phone? And then I saw him, like, I saw 100 texts from him like, stop, I think my phone is on the roof. So anyways, guys, now I'm headed to the birthday surprise for my best friend. So hopefully she hasn't noticed anything. I don't think so. She's at work right now, and I know that she has a nail appointment at 4:30, and right now it's like almost 4. So I will be there just in time, you know, to decorate the place a bit with balloons and so on. And yeah, I'm looking forward for this. See you there. Now I'm gonna concentrate on the road. Mwah.
Hello there, and welcome to the exciting world of it.
Happy birthday! Woo! Yeah, baby! Akta ballongerna! Där var... Woo! Make a wish! Hip hip hurra! 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 Good. Cheers! Happy birthday, honey!
Jag kan inte börja med så långsamt.
Skål, mamma!
Skål älskling. Skål. Stackarna har de fått vänta då.
Hej, hjärtat!
Kom igen tjej. Han får också riktigt sämre. Vissa blick och så.
Hello guys, so it's Friday and today is the day we're gonna surprise my best friend. So as you saw, we surprised her the other day at her actual birthday. So we went to her apartment and surprised her after her work, but today we're gonna surprise her at a restaurant. So she thinks that only me and her are going to a restaurant just to, you know, eat and just hang, and also of course to like celebrate her birthday. But in fact, it will be all of her like girlfriends. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited, and I'm just gonna get ready now. The twins are sleeping, so I better take advantage of this time and try to, you know, get ready and be done with at least my hair and makeup. I'm not 100% sure what to wear, but we'll figure it out. I want to be comfy, of course, but still look a bit sassy, you know. Twin mom is going out. It has been a while, I must say. So yeah, guys, let's get started. Let's fix this hair and this face. gorgeous baby.
Hi, baby.
Hey. Birthday celebrations. Here we go.
I'm way too fucked up to care where we're going, yeah. I'm way too fucked up to care where we're going, yeah. Now you don't need to say you can miss the exit, take me far away. I don't care where we're going, long as I am with you. I don't care where we're going, long as I am with you. Now you don't need to say you can take me overseas or to your place. I don't care where we're going, long as I am with you. I don't care where we're going, long as I am with you. But how about drinks out in LA? $40 for the cover. I don't care, I got bank and my fake in the cupboard. And I got you, yeah, wrapped around my underarm. Why do you keep playing around with my underarm? Yeah, I'm a little corny, but you like that. I got a little flair, so you bite back. And I got a little blood, so you right back. Yeah, I got a little something, bring you right back. So where are we going tonight, yeah? Okay, I don't care. You don't need to say you can miss the exit, take me far away. I don't care where we're going, long as I am with you. I don't care where we're going, long as I am with you. Now you don't need to say you can take me overseas or to your place. I don't care where we're going, long as I am with you. I don't care where we're going, long as I am with you. Because now I'm way too fucked up to care where we're going, yeah. Now I'm way too fucked up to care where we're going, yeah. I'm way too.
Hur lång tid leveransen? En månad.
Hello guys. So it's Easter right now and we're gonna celebrate. The entire family and my sisters are going crazy. And yeah, I just want to show you the humongous table, Easter table. So it's enormous. Wow! Mommy? Sienna? Wow! Noel? Wow, Mama! Wow!
Konstig eller?
God!
Nu får ni inget mer på hela året.
Hej Khalto, tack ya Khalto! tack يا خالته. يلا افتحي يلا افتحي يا ماما ساعديها صلي. يا tack mitt hjärta. Tack حياتي صلي. tack. سبي شوي. يلا ماما دانسة دانسة.